So g'day, it's Adam Franklin and just showing the class here in Perth, g'day, what we do on these videos. So I have the selfie stick, the clip-on mic that you can see there. And really what I think about in terms of how I deliver the content is a basic structure. So I try to aim for 1 to 2 minutes, and there's 1 or 2 teaching points that I'd like to make. So normally there's a hook, so I'll say, have you ever thought about what to say on these videos that you do sort of on the go? If you are wondering how I do that, well, I follow a framework. The first thing is firstly, introduce yourself. Secondly, think of a hook or a question that you're often asked. Third is do some teaching, which I'm doing now. Fourth is have a call to action or something to offer. In my LinkedIn videos, I like to offer a PDF giveaway. Other times I might like to just say, leave a comment if you've got any further questions. And then fifth, have a sign off. So that is a basic video structure, which I follow roughly, not always perfect, but I've got a framework in my head, 5 to 6 things that I need to cover off. And then when I do that, the video works out to be about 90 seconds, which is what we've got to now. So wave goodbye, everybody. All right, see you later.